Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For the people that are new to my channel, hi, I'm Tasha and welcome. In today's video, I will be showing you how I obtained this cute hairstyle, a half braided side bun. All the products that I used, I will leave it down below in the description box. If you have any questions or comments, please be sure to leave that down below in the comment section. If you enjoyed and liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. And please don't forget to subscribe. Click the bell so you get notified every time I post. Thank you so much for watching.
I'm firstly going to start off by sectioning my hair. The section where the most hair is where the braid will be. I will now start braiding the braid. Please make sure that your hair is detangled so that your braid can come out perfectly. I will braid the braid until I reach the middle of my head in the back. Now that I'm done braiding, I will tie my hair up into a side ponytail. I will now wrap my hair around in a circle and secure it with bobby pins. You could also use a bun maker to create this bun. I am now going to do my edges. This will just bring this hairstyle to a new level. Verstaan je wat ik bedoel? And here's the final look, guys. It's very much giving cute vibes. Please connect with me on Instagram. I thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.